2-dog farm. Started was just Dorothy and I doing most of it ourselves. And we first started at the farmer's market. And then we started researching the idea of a CSA.
CSA is community-supported agriculture. With the CSA, you get a box of vegetables weekly, and it changes seasonally also throughout the growing seasons. Every week, whenever different varieties are becoming mature in the field, then we will harvest, and it's always something different in your box.
At the beginning of the week, we do like a crop walk on Sunday afternoon and make the list at the beginning of the week, kind of our harvest list, and that determines what's going to go in the CSA box.
Of course, locally, you're going to be getting the best quality food that you can get. You know where it's coming from. A lot of people like the idea of bringing home fresh vegetables to their families.
Main reason is, they want to eat local, they want to eat seasonal, they want to know who grows their food. In advance, we try to plan it as much as we can, but with weather and other factors, your plan doesn't always go as you want it to.
To our CSA, which is comparable to like a stock because it's a risky business. Of course, Mother Nature is our boss, so we have no idea what's going to happen in the future while we're farming.
In the spring, we had to delay the season about 2 or 3 weeks because of a storm that came through. It turned and came right over the farm, tore this greenhouse down, tore a bunch of trees down, just blew debris everywhere.
Yeah, it was devastating. It was heartbreaking just to see that our greenhouse would be totally wiped out and knowing that we would just have to start completely over.
We lost a lot of our early summer crops, a lot of our peppers and tomatoes. We had to start over with those plants. We can not guarantee people are going to get everything, but take the risk with us.
Our supporters are people who understand that and they are okay with taking that risk as long as they're supporting their local agriculture and local farmer, because we're family.
A couple weeks later, we just got flooded with emails and messages on Facebook and Instagram and things like that. People wanting to help any way they can, and we appreciated that. Definitely feels like a community when you're involved with that many people that you become friends with them.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.